Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. Tutorial of this beautiful daman design for kurti. Like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. For making this design, we need two round things. One round thing is diameter is 3 inch and second round thing diameter is 1.5 inch. Take two fusing paper and mark these round shape and cut the outline. Make many for design requirement. Fold in center and mark the midpoint. Now place it on the fabric and iron it. Cut these and leave little fabric around the rounds. Fold the edges and iron it. Take two rounds and stitch the inner center of the round. Now after stitching, we will cut the extra part. And give little notches around it. Turn it and make the right shape. and stitch the outline. Now we will make straight strips. Width is 1.2 inch and length is 7 inch and 8 inch. Fold like this and stitch it. We need one long strip. Now make the design. Place these strips center of the round and cross it. Make all the design. Take paper according to the shirt daman and place over it organza fabric and set the design and stitch all around it. Take long strip and across it on the design. Thanks for watching my video.